How to use Google Flow AI for free. First, open Google Flow and sign in with your Google account. You must be 18 or older and located in a supported region to use Flow. Once you're signed in, tap New Project to start creating your AI content. Now, enter a prompt describing the image or video you want to generate. Be specific about the subject, action, background, camera movement, and visual style. Tap Generate and wait for Flow to create your result. Keep in mind that free access depends on your country, age, account eligibility, and Google's current availability. Free credits also don't roll over to the next day. Finally, tap the generated photo or video to preview the result. That's it. Now you know how to use Google Flow AI for free on Android. If this tutorial helped, like this video and subscribe for more AI tools, Google tutorials, and Android guides.